zucchini al pastor. Hey, what's going on, Rachel? It's Richard Blais out here at the cottage in Southern California. I'm grilling vegetables today, which get very, very challenging for a lot of people. They are one of the more difficult things to cook on a grill, so we're gonna get right into it. Here's how I like to set it up. Inside the grill, I just have a couple of chunks of hardwood. Some cherry wood is in there right now. And if you look in my grill, it's been, the fire was started about 30 minutes ago. I have it's a little bit hotter on one side and not as hot on the other. And you wanna have that sort of temperature control on your grill. Even if it's not a wood burning grill, you know, you got the electric grill, turn one side up really, really hot, have one side that's lower cooking temperature. So we're gonna start cooking some zucchini, one of my favorite summertime, springtime vegetables. And I'm inspired by the process of tacos al pastor, which is usually pork shoulder that's just smothered in this delicious marinade. Well, we're gonna do that same thing, but with zucchini today. So it starts with this delicious pastor marinade, which is some achiote and tomato paste, cumin, coriander, clove, pineapple juice, onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of ancho chili, and that's what we have right here, this marinade. We've taken some zucchini, we've cut them about 1/4 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch thick maybe here, and we've just stacked them up on these skewers, all right? And you can see right there, that beautiful looking marinade. And you can do this overnight, by the way. Don't make it hard on yourself, right? I've also taken these wooden skewers and I've just sort of soaked them in a little bit of water so that they don't burn on the grill. They might get charred, that's okay. I'm gonna put a little salt on here. Make sure it's seasoned really, really well. And the good thing about zucchini is it cooks so quickly. Sometimes it cooks too quickly. So that's why I actually like sort of stacking these up like this. And what I'm gonna do is very simply, I'm gonna take now our marinated zucchini and I'm just gonna place it right on the middle of the grill. It's gonna come right over here, right to the middle part of the grill. And that's what you're looking for. You can hear that sound, the sizzle, the beginning of sort of the process of grilling, what makes us go, I want to eat that grilled food. I like char, I don't like burnt. I'm gonna flip my zucchini, just keep an eye on that. In the bowl right here, I have some yogurt, I have cucumber, dried mint, and garlic. It's a version of the tzatziki sauce. And this is like for a beautiful, elegant, vegetarian, spring, summertime meal. We're gonna go with our zucchini right to the plate. A little bit of extra herbs maybe on this, a little bit of cilantro. And there is an amazing grilled vegetable dinner. We have zucchini al pastor with a yogurt and mint sauce.